Hi everyone! Today we'll be taking a look at our brand new 2K dashcam, the Thinkware Q1000. One of the most highly anticipated Thinkware dashcams of the year, the Q1000 features a premium Sony Starvis image sensor to deliver unrivaled performance in an elegant design. The Q1000 comes in two different options. With a single channel option, you get the front dashcam unit only. This option is enough to set up a simple front view dashcam system to capture the road ahead. With the dual channel option, you get a rear view camera and a hardwiring cable in addition to the front dashcam. The rear camera records in 2K QHD to give you the same high quality video resolution as the front dashcam. With this bundle, you get everything you need to set up a complete front and rear view dashcam system for both driving and parking coverage. Both options include the standard accessories such as a windshield mount, cable holders, car power cable, 32GB SD card, quick start guide, and heat blocking film. The Q1000 builds upon our very successful Q800 Pro model by introducing all new features to take your dashcam experience to the next level. The built-in Bluetooth makes it easy for you to pair your smartphone to the dashcam's dual-band Wi-Fi so you can play back videos or adjust settings on the fly. Your compatible iOS or Android smartphone can be connected to either the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz bandwidth for faster file transfers. Thinkware's latest Super Night Vision 3.0 technology with HDR enhances video brightness in low light conditions so you don't miss important details. Dewarping technology, on the other hand, ensures that edge distortions typically occurring in footage filmed in a wide angle are kept to a minimum. Wide 156-degree front and rear viewing angles ensures uncompromised video coverage of the road. Should you wish to do so, you can downgrade the video resolution of the front and rear cameras from 2K at 30 FPS down to 1080p at 60 FPS for the front camera and 1080p at 30 FPS for the rear camera. The 60 FPS allows for smoother videos and makes license plate reading a breeze. Just like in the Q800 Pro, the built-in GPS in the Q1000 is responsible for tracking the speed, time, and route history of your vehicle. It also enables safety features such as ADAS and safety camera alert to make your drive safer.
Speed and red light camera in 300 meters. Speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour.
The safety camera alert warns you of upcoming red light cameras and speed cameras. And ADAS helps you stay safe on the road with alerts for lane departure, front vehicle departures, and potential forward collisions. When installed with the hardwiring cable, the Q1000 can offer parking protection against potential mishaps and hit and runs with its parking surveillance mode when you're away from the vehicle. We advise professional installation if hardwiring your dashcam. There are several parking surveillance modes you can choose from based on your recording needs. Impact and motion detection is the default parking mode. If a movement or impact is detected in this mode, the dashcam will save a video clip of 10 seconds before and 10 seconds after the incident to give you a 20-second recording so you can see the events leading to the impact or movement. Time-lapse and energy-saving modes are ideal for longer surveillance durations as they decrease the Q1000's overall power consumption while in parking surveillance mode. Time-lapse mode reduces power consumption by recording continuously at 2 frames per second. Energy-saving mode reduces power consumption by putting the camera into a low power state and waking up to record a 20-second video clip only if an impact has been detected. To increase the dashcam's reliability and functionality, the Q1000 comes equipped with a new safety feature called Smart Parking Mode. If the temperature inside the vehicle gets too hot during parking surveillance mode, the Q1000 automatically switches to a low power mode. While in this state, the dashcam records incidents triggered by impacts only until the internal temperature is safe again to resume its original parking recording mode. This convenient safety feature prevents heat-related damage without having to power off the dashcam, so you still have video evidence if an incident occurs. Accompanying our Q1000 is the all-new Thinkware Connected app. This app allows you to conveniently receive impact notifications or monitor remotely what's happening around your vehicle via your smartphone. With the Q1000 connected to the internet, the dedicated Thinkware Connected app gives you access to connected features like remote live view, strong impact notification with video upload, vehicle status and driving history, send emergency messages, and many more. The Q1000 can be paired with the radar module accessory. It allows the dashcam to detect movements and record events leading to an impact while in energy-saving parking mode. It's a great add-on if you wish to extend the surveillance duration of the Q1000 and still record the before footage when an incident occurs. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions about Thinkware products, give our support team a call or send them an email, and they'll be happy to help you out. For more Thinkware tutorials, unboxings, and details on our dashcam lineup, subscribe below.